Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to trade as a game and learn completely for free. So as you can see here, I have a profile that I created a couple of days ago. And you can see my distribution of my profile. So I have cash, I have some cryptocurrency, and I have some equity. And I have all the P&L during the last days. So I created my positions and orders. And basically, they're like every day I can see how much I made or how much I lost. And as you can see, this is a demo account. So this is completely free, just like it's a good way actually to basically learn how to trade and stuff. And while I'm trading, I achieved these levels. So I unlocked all these achievements and I'm at level 3. But in this video, I'm gonna be using the sandbox environments. So just for your information, this is the production. We're using Panthra.ai, and this is where you should go and create your own profile. But for the sake of the demo, I'm gonna use an internal environment where I created the brand new profile for myself. So when you join and basically you validate your email, you're gonna be coming to this page, and I'm gonna show you. So you're gonna be light mode. It's going to look like this. This is the first time that you're going to join. And I'm going to show you step by step how you're going to build up the levels in gamification so you can achieve some higher levels and at the same time learn how to trade. So the first thing I will do, just like I like dark mode. So now I can see in dark mode the application, and I have 100,000 in account value and in buying power. This is the market. I'm gonna basically select a um, couple of symbols to trade that I enjoy, and I have no positions and no orders. So let's go and create our first order. So because I just joined and this profile is completely new, I need to onboard myself. I need to say my first name. You have to give your first name here. I'm gonna say, for example, John. John, for example, David. And you have to select, let's just say is from Angola. And I need to complete my profile to start. So when I complete my profile, I achieve basically the first unlock. I unlock the first thing. So I have 30. I just got 30 points just by completing my profile. And as you can see, now I can see basically the charts. I can put orders and I can see positions and orders as well. The second thing is I need to create my first order. So I will go here and I will create, maybe I will just get maybe 1,000 worth of Bitcoin. And because it's got executed and this is my first order, here I unlock my first buy. So you can have a look about all what you can unlock while you are doing this exercise and learning at the same time and creating your profile. But here I have a position. And at the moment, I already gained 2 cents because the market has moved since I bought here and it's moving up. I can show you a little bit more. So I bought somewhere here and the price has moved a little bit. Maybe we cannot see it very clearly, but at the moment, my gain is 2 cents. So if the market goes against me, I will lose money. Then if we look a little bit more, maybe I should unlock my first sell. So I go here and I have some Bitcoin. So I can sell maybe some Bitcoin. And I will sell how much I have. I have 1,000 worth, almost 1,000. I will sell 50% of that value. So about 500. Sell it. Order accepted. Boom. Now I achieved the first sell, as you can see. And then if you are like more an active trader, that means that, or you're just getting started, you need to achieve 10 orders to basically unlock the next achievement. Every time you create an order, you get, I don't know how much points you get every time. We can check it out. So here I have 150. So if I go and do an order, let's change the symbol. I will get something else. Let's buy one of this symbol. And let's check how much. It was 150. So every time I buy an order or I sell, I get 10 points, as you can see. And this is how basically you keep building your profiles day by day. So you create your profile. At the moment, you can see most of it is cash. I have a little bit of cryptocurrency and I have equity. So you can see here. And I have 2 positions. And so far the P&L, I just like lost $2 worth of, it's basically between these losses because the market is moving against me basically, and also the fees. You should consider that every time that you make an order. Let me show you. So if I buy, for example, 10,000 worth of this symbol, you can see that I will pay 0.1% of fees. And by the way, all what I showed you here, this is like demo accounts. So all this money is given to you for free. You will every time, like if you create an account, you will get the same thing that you see as I'm showing you here. Yep. So while you are building your profile, you basically will be achieving new levels and stuff. And this is like kind of like a way you can see the next levels, and basically you can achieve next levels. So maybe the last thing I will show you, just like, so if I'm an API trader and I want to trade with the API, I come here and I create my first API, and that would unlock as well a level for me. And I don't know if you ever traded with the API, but we will have videos next about it. It's already implemented and we have all sorts of documentation about the API. I'll show you. So this is the documentation about the API. This is the URL. This is some diagrams to explain what happens. So you get the API, the keys and stuff, and you start with your first requests. I will show you how to authenticate, the cur, how to do your first market order. Let me show you. First API call. Orders. Yes, the first order is here. So this is, for example, using a cur. You put like the key here and secret, and you create your own the first call to create an order. But that's gonna come in the next videos. So just like please subscribe to see the next videos when they come. Yeah. So I hope that you like this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you very much. Bye bye.